question? I mean, the number where we'll be flashing a picture you'd be describing and promoting.
Alright, she chose number 11.
Number 11?
And that is the Sicogon Island.
Sicogon Island is one of the rising islands that are about to be known to the Iloilo city. Sicogon Island is near to Gigantes, which is also in Carles, Iloilo. But how can we promote this? We can promote this island by preserving it, because with preserving it, we know that there will be full potential for the island. And also, we must practice clay go, which means clean as you go, when we step onto this island. It is because it is not only that it reflects to us who are taking care of it, but also for the tourists, for them to see how beautiful it is without the garbage. That's why I think that we should always learn to practice discipline within ourselves, to know the beauty of something. That's why we need to preserve and to take care of our environment. That would be all, and thank you.
Thank you so